Hi, my name is Mark Christopher, and today I want to share with you about a personal experience I've had with Doug Blevins and Alfa Insurance. First of all, I was a customer of one of the big internet insurance companies before I was a customer of Alfa and Doug Blevins. And what I found out with one of those big insurance companies is if you have a claim, or if you have an issue, or if you have a question, when you call in and speak to someone at that big insurance company, you're going to get a different person every single time you call them. And when I did have a claim, had a small car accident, not only did it make my premiums go through the roof, I couldn't get good customer service to deal with either the same person or a person that was competent in what was going on with my situation. And it was just a really terrible experience. So to that point, how did I come to know Doug? How did I come to know about Alfa Insurance? Doug and I went to the same church and we didn't know each other. And he and I ended up in the men's small group class together. And as we were going around the room, introducing ourselves, telling, what we did for, for our job, for a living, Doug said he worked for an insurance company called Alfa Insurance. And I was having this issue with my other insurance company. And I told him about it, told him what I had experienced. And he said, hey man, give me a chance. Let me see what I can do for you. So to make a very long story short, we switched our insurance to Alfa with Doug, and mainly because I had a live person, and an actual person that lived just miles down the road from me that was my go-to guy, was the guy that I could call if I had an issue, or if I had a question about a policy, or if I had a question about a billing question. And one of the great things about Doug that I can say and his team is they will always call me back. If I don't get them when I first call, they'll always call me back before the end of the day. Like, it never fails. They always call me back to find out what they need to do, what they need to take care of the same day. And I promise you, you're not going to get that with an internet big box insurance company. None of them. You're just not going to get it. So what I love is that I have a personal relationship with Doug, with Alfa, with Doug's team, that gives me a lot of confidence about if I have an issue, they're going to take care of it. They're going to be on top of it. And to that point, we'd only had this house that I'm sitting in right now, we had only had this house for about 6 weeks. And we had our homeowner's insurance and our auto insurance with Doug. And we had a massive hailstorm here. And it damaged our roof, damaged our house. And Alfa replaced our roof completely. No questions asked. We didn't have any hiccups. I dealt with the same people every time I picked up the phone to call and talk to find out what was going on. It was great. It was a wonderful experience. And I can tell you firsthand, that does not go on every day. It doesn't go on with your big insurance companies. All they want is your premiums. They don't care about you as a person. You're just a number to them. And the great thing about Doug and Alfa that I've experienced and that my family has experienced is that you're a person. You're someone, you're a customer. You're someone that they care about. And they want to make sure that if you're paying for a product, you're paying for a service, that you get 110% quality and that you're happy and that they make you whole. And I could not be more happy with dealing with Doug and dealing with Alfa. I will be with them as far as I'm concerned until I leave this earth. So I just want to share that with you as a personal experience of mine. And I hope it will make you, appreciate what Doug can do for you and what Alfa Insurance can do for you. Thank you very much.